10 immunity boosting juices to drink when you're sick. Supporting your immune system. Your immune system is constantly active, figuring out which cells belong to your body and which don't. This means the immune system needs a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals to keep its energy up and going. The following recipes are packed with essential nutrients for everyday health or for fighting off the cold and flu. Number 10. Green apple, lettuce, and kale. A vegetable based green juice is a powerhouse of nutrients for a strong immune system. Jeanette from Jeanette's Healthy Living has a wonderful recipe that'll make anybody, including kids, happy to drink their greens. Throw in a handful of parsley for an extra serving of vitamin B6. This vitamin plays an important role in immune cell proliferation and antibody production. Number 9. Pumpkin seed. Many pumpkin juice recipes online include a lot of added sugars or require store-bought apple juice. This is why we decided to include this pumpkin seed milk recipe by the Blender Girl instead. It's one of the freshest and most natural recipes available online, and it works as a great base for fruit smoothies. The extra benefits are also hard to ignore. Not only will this milk benefit your immune system, it may also help your bone health, menopause symptoms, urinary health, hair and skin, mental health, prostate health. Notable nutrients are vitamin A, C, and B6, magnesium, and zinc. Number 8. Watermelon mint. Not only does watermelon help your immune system, but it also can help relieve muscle soreness. Muscle soreness is a common symptom of the flu, especially in older adults. The heavy water content of this fruit may also make it easier to juice. Take a look at veg recipes of India's recipe for watermelon mint juice. You can also include watermelon juice in other plain fruit juices such as apple or orange that may not have as much vitamin A. Number 7. Strawberry and mango. Sober Julie's strawberry mango mocktail is a healthy way to satisfy your cravings for a bottomless brunch. This recipe uses frozen fruits, which have the same nutritional punch as fresh ones. You can also opt for fresh if you have them on hand. The vitamin E from mangoes add extra antioxidant benefits to enhance your immune system, especially in older adults. Notable nutrients are vitamin A, C, and E, iron, and folate. Number 6. Strawberry kiwi mint. Strawberries and kiwis are other healthy alternatives for a vitamin C packed drink, but since it takes about 4 cups of strawberries to make 1 cup of juice, you may want to blend these fruits into a smoothie rather than a juice. We love Home Chef's recipe, which includes Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good source of magnesium and probiotics. Probiotics may help cell maintain an antimicrobial barrier. The notable nutrients are vitamin A, C, and B6, magnesium, zinc, and folate. Number 5. Kale, tomato, and celery. Kale is a staple for many green juices, but the Kale Mary Serious Eats take on Bloody Mary is truly one of a kind. Instead of cutting the taste of kale with fruits, this recipe uses tomato and celery juice, adding more than enough vitamin A. The horseradish in this recipe may also provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Blend it up for a drink that will awaken your senses. Notable nutrients: vitamins A and C, magnesium, potassium, iron, and fatty acids. Number 4. Tomato. The best way to be sure your tomato juice is fresh and without added new ingredients is to make it yourself. The Balance, a site about frugal living, has a wonderful recipe for homemade tomato juice. The best part: no juicer or blender required, although you'll want to strain the bits and pieces through a sieve. Tomatoes are rich in folate, which help lower your risk of infections. Notable nutrients: vitamins A and C, iron, and folate. Number 3. Beet, carrot, ginger, and apple. This fortifying juice by Gourmand in the kitchen has 4 root vegetables that help your immune system and decrease inflammatory symptoms. Inflammation is often an immune response to infections. It can cause flu or cold symptoms like a runny nose, coughs, and body aches. People who have rheumatoid arthritis may especially benefit from drinking this juice, as the turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory effects. Notable nutrients are vitamins A, C, and E, iron, and calcium. Number 2. Apple, carrot, and orange. Carrots, apples, and orange are a winning combination for helping your body protect itself and fight off infections. The tartness of the green apple really cuts through the sweetness of the carrots and oranges. Notable nutrients are vitamins A, B6, and C, potassium, and folic acid. Number 1. Orange and grapefruit. Vitamin C has antioxidant and other properties that protect your cells from substances that damage the body. A deficiency of vitamin C can lead to delayed wound healing, inability to properly fight infections, and impaired immune response. Fortunately, the citrus explosion by the black peppercorn contains more than enough of your daily intake of vitamin C. Notable nutrients are vitamins A, B6, and C, folic acid, and zinc. So, these were the 10 immunity boosting juices to drink when you're sick. Did you like any from this list? If so, please let us know in the comment section below.